Hello, everyone. DJ Sessions here, founder and CEO of SLG, NMLS number 271823. Listen, if you're thinking about buying a home in Ohio this summer, you need to hear this because OHFA, Ohio Housing Finance Agency, just released a new rate sheet as of June 1st. And the numbers are hard to believe. Right now, OHFA's traditional first-time homebuyer program is offering a 30-year fixed rate at 3.75. Yes, 3.75. And if you qualify for the Ohio Heroes program, the rate drops to even further to 3.5. Let's put that in perspective. Most conventional loans in Ohio are between 6.25 to 6.8. So we're talking a massive gap here. So let me break this down. First-time homebuyers with no down payment assistance, FHA, VA, USDA conventional loans, 3.75, right? Ohio Heroes gets 3.5. Now, if you want down payment assistance, it's typically between 3 and 3.5%. Your rate does go up to 5%. Now, unlike other programs sitting around 6.25, again, so how do you qualify, right? Well, you need to meet income limits and purchase limits, which vary by county, right? You've got to get your conventional credit score 640, FHA 650. Now, here's the deal. On the Ohio Heroes, right, you got to be a teacher, nurse, or physician, police officer, firefighter, EMT, active, or former military. You qualify for the Ohio Heroes program, which automatically knocks another 0.25% off your rate, right? If you graduated from an Ohio college within the last 48 months, you may qualify for grants for grads, which gives you, again, another discount, right? It's one of those things that it's a moment we don't know how long it's going to last, right? So this is specifically designed to keep Ohio talent here in the state. Now, you may be wondering, how is this possible, right? Well, OHFA uses tax-exempt mortgage bonds, which allows them to borrow money cheaper than traditional lenders. And they pass those savings along directly to you, the buyer. Now, let me make it real simple here and trying to do a little bit of math here. On a $220,000 loan, right, the difference between a 3.75 rate and a 6.5 rate is about $390 a month, right? So that's nearly $140,000 saved over the life of the loan, right? That's not chump change. I mean, almost $400 a month is a big deal. Now, because a lot of people ask me about down payment assistance, yes, it helps up front, but it increases your rate about 1.5%, or 1.25 to 1.3. Now, the real question is, are you maximizing your cash today or just maximizing your savings long term? If you plan to stay in the home long term, many buyers actually better off taking the lower rate and skipping the assistance. But every situation is different, right? That's why I always advise, let's look at both scenarios, right? Let's look at, what the cash to close is, monthly payment, long-term costs. And then we're going to make a decision based on your goals, right? The OHFA rates, they do update daily, and I can almost suspect this is not going to last forever. So if you're serious about buying a home this year, this is a big opportunity. So again, DJ Sessions, SLG. To learn more, visit sessionslending.com. Talk to you soon.